Welcome back to our exploration into the fascinating depths of the human brain and neuroscience. In our previous episodes, we've journeyed through the intricate world of neuroscience, unearthing amazing discoveries about the human brain. We've learned that our brain is not just a simple organ, but rather a complex and powerful tool that shapes our experiences, our emotions, our beliefs, and ultimately, ourselves. We've seen how our beliefs, those deeply ingrained thoughts that guide our actions and reactions, are formed and shaped by the information we consume, the experiences we have, and the people we interact with. It's a fascinating process, one that's ongoing and ever-evolving. And yet, as we continue to delve into the secrets of the human brain and the wonders of neuroscience, remember that this journey is not a quick fix. Achieving mental well-being requires consistent effort and practice. It's a journey, not a destination, and it's one that requires commitment, persistence, and patience. As we delve deeper, remember that the journey to mental well-being requires consistent effort and practice. Our brain, a complex network of electrical connections, plays a pivotal role in shaping our thoughts and behaviors. This intricate web of neurons, akin to a superhighway of information, communicates through electrical impulses. Every thought we have, every emotion we feel, every action we take is the result of these impulses zipping across our brain's network. Imagine your brain as a bustling city, with highways of neurons crisscrossing in every direction. Each electrical connection is like a car, carrying passengers, our thoughts, emotions, and reactions to different parts of the city. Some roads are well-traveled, forming robust connections like our habitual thoughts and behaviors. Others are less used, representing new or infrequent thoughts. These electrical connections influence our thoughts by determining the speed and efficiency of our brain's communication. Strong, positive connections can make our thoughts clearer, faster, and more efficient. However, negative connections, like those formed by fear, stress, or trauma, can slow down our thought processes, making them less effective and even harmful. But here's the fascinating part. Our brain's electrical connections aren't fixed. They're constantly changing, adapting, and evolving based on our experiences, environment, and even our conscious decisions. This phenomenon, called neuroplasticity, means we have the power to reshape our brain's connections, to nurture positive thoughts and behaviors. So how do we harness this power? By being mindful of our thoughts and reactions, by practicing positive thinking, and by fostering healthy habits and behaviors. Each time we choose a positive thought over a negative one, we're strengthening a positive connection in our brain. Each time we react calmly instead of with anger, we're promoting a healthier, more harmonious brain network. This isn't just about feeling good in the moment, it's about long-term mental well-being. Nurturing positive connections can help us manage stress, boost our mood, and improve our overall mental health. It can make us more resilient, more adaptive, and more capable of handling life's ups and downs. Our brain's electrical connections aren't just fascinating, they're instrumental in shaping who we are. And by understanding and nurturing these connections, we can shape a better, healthier, more positive version of ourselves. When someone insults or mistreats us, it's important to remember that it's not about us, it's about them. You see, every human being carries a unique set of beliefs and experiences that shape their worldview. These beliefs and experiences, in turn, influence their actions and words. So when someone throws an insult your way or treats you poorly, it's often a reflection of their own internal state rather than a judgment of your worth. Imagine a mirror. When someone looks into it, they see their own reflection. The same applies to interactions. People often project their own self-perceptions onto others. That hurtful comment? It's likely a projection of their own insecurities. That unkind action? It might be a reflection of their own internal turmoil. It's easy to take these negative interactions personally. After all, they're directed at us. But the truth is, these actions and words are rarely about us. They're about the person saying or doing them. They're about their struggles, their fears, and their skewed perceptions. Now, this doesn't excuse hurtful behavior, but understanding this can help us not to internalize the negativity. We don't have to accept someone else's projection of their own insecurities as our reality. We can choose to see it for what it is, a reflection of them, not us. And here's the thing. When we stop taking things personally, We free ourselves from the unnecessary burden of others' negativity. We gain the power to respond rather than react. We can choose compassion over anger, understanding over resentment, because we realize it's not about us. This understanding can be transformative. It can shift how we perceive and respond to negative interactions. It can help us navigate through life with a greater sense of peace and resilience. So next time you face insult or mistreatment, remember this: it's not about you, it's about them. And with that, we conclude today's exploration into our brain and its impact on our lives.